Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to add an activity in Seesaw, how to locate that activity, and how to invite your parents to your Seesaw class. So to get started, I've already created a class and I'm on my class page. I'm going to click the green button to add an activity. Assign activity. And from here, I can assign something I have recently assigned, or I can even browse the community and look for assignments that other people have used. I'm going to create a new activity for this example. Now I'm going to enter the activity name and also put in student instructions. After you have written your instructions, you can add voice instructions or even multimedia instructions or an example. I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to assign this activity. Select the class you would like the activity to be assigned to. And then it even shows me some examples of how to get my students signed in and my students to respond. I'm going to go on back to my class. And underneath the Activities button, you can see my activity here. Remember to make sure you're under Activities. Sometimes it defaults to the Journal page, which then you would not be able to see your activity. To get your families connected, down in the bottom right corner you see a plus button with families. Go ahead and click that button. And here you can enter the email address or the phone number of each of your students individually. If you have only inputted students' first name and last initial, I would suggest doing a share and invite link. By doing this, I can just copy this link and send it to my parents through Remind or Skyward to sign up. Let me show you what it looks like. Once the parents access the link, they will be able to choose their student name from the list. It will ask the parent if Hunter is their child, and it will inform them that the teacher will have to approve access. Then it will prompt the parent to create a Seesaw account. Once the parent gets logged in, it will inform them once again that the teacher will need to approve my access to their journal. It will prompt the parents to get the Seesaw app. If they click on Journals, they can see their child's journals, which I'm using one where I am a student in Ricky's class. And if I go to Inbox, I can actually message my teacher to ask them questions. After the parent requests to see their child's journal, you can see here I have one unapproved family member. If I review that, then I can approve or decline Silly Clark's access to Hunter Clark's journal. The parent will then receive notification that they can view their child's journal. So whenever I go to Journal, I can now view Hunter Clark's journal. Once the child responds to the activity, their content will appear under Journal, and you can see it says here, in response to weekly challenge. So that way you know what activity this is a response to. I can also like and comment on the work and place it into any files for organization for my class or creating a portfolio for my students. If I want to see the student's work per person, I can go to Journal and then click on the student and see their individual work. Or if I want to see it by activity, I simply click on Activities, and you can see here I have one response to my weekly challenge. And here you can see my student's response.